Done deal.
And
Okay.
done deal.
Be careful when you hold them because they can hurt themselves, right? The horses can anyway. Okay, that one's ready. So
Okay. You ready?
got another one for you?
Yeah, roll them over and unbuckle his legs.
You the leg furry? Oh, I'll take it. Wait a minute.
Some when they do them different, like if they want something different, they just let us know and just leave it.
Okay. Are you free?
We're going to reweigh them.
Yeah.
This is my herd sire, Lord. I know.
There you go.
Come on, Pistachio.
Come on. You listening, Pistachio?
Yeah. Some people do.
He's like, no, I'll just lay here.
They look like a deer. We felt sorry for one of our. Ain't he cute? A lot of scale on. On the boy?
So good.
Here, maybe this one looks cute, because it might go to the show. Okay, I'm going right through here, Larry.
Do you have a stiff bristle broom around here?
No.
No?
Here, give me this one.
That's the baby. That's the dad. It's a boy. He's actually really nice. Does he recognize his own baby?
I don't know. I doubt it. Like the horse. I don't think they know. Yeah, I'd move too. Come on. Come on. And take everything off the horse. Oh, this first one?
Oopsie daisy.
This one right here?
Now's a good time to turn. Take advantage while it's down.
Okay, and Nancy and me might just take this one up.
It's like, heck, it's
That'll freak them out. This is what we look for, and this is how we part it.
Oh.
See all that crimp?
That's the wavy. That's good.
That's good.
That's really nice. He's nice. I like this baby.
Okay, and this is Pistachio's baby.
And what's his name? Walnut?
This here is Bad Brad after a friend.
That would be a good
after
name.
not a friend. After not a friend.
How do you clean his fur of all these weeds?
Well, that's what Terry's doing right now.
That's the fun part.
Baby.
That's the part I hate. It's hay in there. Hay that they eat.
It smells good.
If you've ever petted a sheep, you can really feel the difference. They're not stinky like the sheep smell because they have lanolin.
Yeah.
And sheep's wool you have to really wash before you can even card it. I mean, it just doesn't even card. Them, I've spun just directly without even carding, just directly off the animal. As soon as they're shirred, I took it and spun it. It works.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
He's a Christian.
He's all weighed and everything.
He's a Christian.
Okay.
Yeah, he's done.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Leave his tail.
He's
the
good,
boy.
Maybe.
Choke it.
Fish.
Leave it on his face.
Broke some sleeves.
Okay. I'm going to leave him alone. I'm going to kind of come up to his feet and leave all his face.
Come on.
There you go.
You seen what Dad's gone
Hey,
through?
Susan knows how to handle these little guys.
Yeah, I did the easy part. She got
What color is this animal?
White. Egg. Chrome.
Eggshell. We would think he's white, but we're going to have a surprise when we take the fleece off. And I only know that because when he was born.
It's going to be a light brown.
You can see.
Hey, Cindy, how many do you have here? Was that 4 including making 11, or you have 11 of your own?
Me?
Yes.
There's 10 here.
10 here, okay.
Yeah, 10 here. 3 babies, and I'm going to go get you some more.
Okay.
There's only 65 of them here. Okay. Is it one on? Yes, it's one.
Are you good, Aunt? Yeah? Okay. It's okay. You just pull it and then we'll pull it. Go ahead, pull it. You'll tighten up mine. That's why I let you. There you go. Right there.
What do you guys do? I got to pull myself. Right. I got to pull myself. It's 1 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 265 pounds. But I have it.
Here you go, brother.
That's one of your babies.
Pull them this way.
Now or wait?
It doesn't matter if you want to get to them now. Go ahead.
Do it right now. Alright.
Okay, baby, sorry, honey. Sorry, honey. Oh, I love these babies, don't you?
Yeah.
There's nothing there. Oh my God.
I don't like shearing them, but I like them.
No, I mean there's nothing.
Babies are harder to shear than the.
Sorry, bud.
Good. There it is, Aunt. See how this baby stuff holds together better than that other one that kind of broke apart? Is a little more on the drier, coarse side. This one will stay together very well.
Yeah, it's over
You
there.
got one on him? I don't know if you got the young one.
You
got one?
I think you want one on all of them, so I'll just use one and
Yeah, it's really nice too.
It turned out to be a light brown inside. I'll do the it's actually number 2, but go away on that one. It's not going to be the same on all of them, I guess.
What do you guys like doing a package more than you do a sheet? A sheet kind of a pain? What's that? A sheet more of a pain?
Actually they're easier.
Oh, really?
But, I mean, I like this because it's big. You know, you just stand up every once in a while. Sheets are like this all day long. You're pretty crouched down.
Okay.
Tighten up.
Like that, I think super more oily, like.
Yeah, they're not dirtier than this.
Yeah.
So it makes it harder to cut, or?
Yeah, it makes it harder for that, and then it just gets like real sticky, you know, and
The only thing nice about sheets is the clip. They have oil in the fleece, so it really helps these blades in this clipper. Where alpacas have a little bit more drier fiber, and that's where you got to change blades more often, or oil it a lot more often than. All right, everything in here? We're gonna change blades after this, okay?
Right. After we're done with the whole thing?
No, afterwards.
Fire back up?
Yeah.
With all the other stuff in the car, it just didn't fit.
Maybe another day I can come up.
Yeah. I'll bring it.
Spend the
I'll
day.
bring it to sitting. I'll just bring it to you to sitting next time.
Yeah, I guess
It's never been used. It's pathetic. I mean,
all I have is this copy stuff.
this stuff. I don't know if I'm even card it.
I know, but
You know me, I don't card.
I know, but the
I
thing
look
is,
at this. Like this is that stuff that I bought that came with my wheel.
yes,
It's part of that wheel. But ever since I started spinning this stuff, it's so much easier to spin than that. So now I'm starting to think I better start carding.
I'm not gonna spend it. I'm not gonna spend it.
You're not.
No, because it's just too
You're
short.
selfish. Yeah, it's too short.
I really.
You could.
I did.
You
I
could,
spent,
but it's hard.
I spent about, I don't know how many dollars. I did.
That kind, like when you buy that, you can spin it, so then it's turned into rubber, like that, and then you can spin it, but if you hand card it, it's really hard to spin. It's only